Hello guys, kumusta mo tanan? This is Nay. I welcome you back to my channel, Nay TV, Bisayang Englisero. And speaking of kumusta, in this video, I am going to share with you 5 cool ways to say kumusta in English.
But I just want to know, is it nice? Is it good up there?
Nice.
It's good? Yeah.
As expected, the first one is how are you? How are you? How are you? This is the most common way of saying kumusta in English, and because it is very common, medyo boring na pud siya. As a matter of fact, awkward na para sa native English speakers gamit ani sa mga tao nga permi na nila nahimamat. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? This is an informal way of saying kumusta in English. How are you doing? Kay mostly American ang mugamit ani. O how's it going? Kay British o Australians ang mugamit ana.
I guess I could get rid of how's it going completely.
This is a more relaxed one. You can use this when you are talking to your friends, and it is a more personal way sa pagpangmusta.
How's it going, man?
What's up? Or what's up? This is a very casual way of pangumusta. You can use this sa imong mga suod ng mga amiga o amigo.
That's what it is, actually. What's up?
What's new? What's new? What's new is basically wanting to know what happened to that person since you last saw him or her. It's like wanting to know the updates of his or her life. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? This is a little bit formal. You can use this for people you respect. It is basically asking how has a person been recently. So that's it guys. Those are the 5 cool ways of saying kumusta in English. Kung sa imong tanaw nakatabang o makatabang ang akong mga videos, please subscribe sa akong channel o tanaw po ang uban akong mga videos. Hangtod sa sunod na po mga kabisayang Englisero o Englisera. God bless you.